Hi, I'm Richard Jenkinson, Director of Displays Ltd. I've been in this business for over 30 years now, so I've got a lot of experience in what I do. I pride myself on the quality of finish we can produce and the design that fits perfectly to my customers' needs. We always try and come in on budget. Sometimes that can be a real challenge, but we make the most of what we've got and we always give the customer what they need. On this particular occasion, we fitted out cash converters. These have got sliding doors, sliding screens, display cases, all manufactured from our own produced system. It's a high quality system that we manufacture and it gives a good sense of security in an environment where that's an important aspect of their trade.